Hey guys, back at LaFlair's Lair. So we're doing another challenge. This is chicken sausage with cottage cheese and mustard. Can you not touch me like that? Stranger danger. Okay, so focus. I have my mom here today, and then I also have my youngest child. Okay, move. And we are going to try this. Can you say hello?
Hi.
Thank you. Rude. All right, grab your sausage. We know you know how to do that. Okay. Cheers. Girl, don't knock open. Now, I got this off of a TikToker who did this challenge because she's trying to like lose so many pounds. So let's see. It's supposed to be super healthy. I'm not mad. I would have never thought to do mustard with cottage cheese. That's a different kind of combination. That's a different kind of healthy. But it's pretty good. And by the way, the chicken sausage that I used was tomato, basil, chicken, cheese. No, spinach. My bad. So
It's not bad.
what do you think, Sid? Really?
Not bad. I might have to do a different mix than the cottage cheese and mustard, but the sausage itself is good.
We get that, but the challenge is to try this. What do you think about this?
I don't like that.
So give it out of 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
5.
Ooh. What would you rate it out of 1 to 10?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
It's good.
Okay, you must really like it. So I can prepare this for you every day after school instead of toast.
Excuse me.
Oh, okay. I thought so. Okay, so I give it an 8.5 out of 10. Because, I mean, could I eat it to lose weight as a little snack?
Yes.
I could bear it. There you have it. See you guys next time. All right,
Bye.